In today's video, I'll be answering the question, what is the TikTok Creativity Program Beta? Now, by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what it is, all of the eligibility requirements, as well as what you should do to maximize attention and growth. So make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. So the TikTok Creativity Program Beta is an exciting opportunity for creators who love crafting high quality, longer videos on TikTok. So if you're passionate about monetizing your content, this program is tailor-made for you. Now on their website, it says about the eligibility requirements, and the first requirement says you must have a US-based account. However, I don't think they've actually updated their website because this is not true. They have also rolled this program out to countries like France, Germany, and even UK. So I'd recommend Googling the country that you're from to see if it is actually available in your region. Now you must also be at least 18 years old, you must have at least 10,000 followers, and you must have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So if you do meet all those requirements, that means you will be able to apply for the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. The Creativity Program Beta actually allows you to earn up to 20 times more than the original Creator Fund. So if you are posting on TikTok with monetization enabled, it is definitely a good idea to join the Creativity Program Beta. TikTok users now spend more than 50% of their time on videos lasting 1 minute or longer, which is what you will have to post in order to get monetized with the Creativity Program. And longer videos lead to 5 times more follower growth when combined with short form content. This tells us that TikTok's slowly changing over time and it's starting to favour longer videos. And by joining the Creativity Program Beta and posting videos over 1 minute in length, that means you'll be getting more followers and be earning up to 20 times more at the same time. So in my opinion, there's not any reason why you wouldn't join this if you do have the option available. So this has been my video quickly explaining what is the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand everything you need to know about it, and you should hopefully be able to apply and start earning some really good money off of TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and thanks for watching.